In 2010, American Express created Small Business Saturday, a new shopping day right after Black Friday, America's biggest, most iconic shopping day of the year, 1 month before Christmas. Small Business Saturday was designed to help small businesses get what they needed most in the struggling U.S. economy: customers. But for 2011, the goal was clear: to cement its place as an official shopping day during the holiday season. American Express couldn't do that single-handedly, so they rallied business owners, consumers, and public officials to help. First, they gave small business owners a toolkit to carry the day. American Express armed them with everything they'd need, from a Shop Small badge, to posters, to social marketing tools. This digital kit featured a YouTube video maker for businesses to make their own ads, a Facebook page builder, and a way to launch online Shop Small deals through Foursquare. Over 500,000 owners took advantage. Next, American Express reached out to get public officials on board. Communities and states from coast to coast declared their support. Even the United States Senate stepped up and passed a resolution declaring Small Business Saturday an official day unanimously. Finally, American Express rallied millions of shoppers to join the movement by finding local businesses and pledging to make one small purchase.
I pledge to shop small at Big Top Candy Shop,
Allen's Boots,
at Juno Baby Store.
Make the pledge to shop small.
Please!
Shop small on Small Business Saturday.
So how big was it?
20% increase. Our sales were up about 30%.
166% increase from last year.
In the end, it became a top 10 trending topic on Twitter. The second annual Small Business Saturday reached 2.7 million likes on Facebook, more than double the first year. Most importantly, 103 million Americans shopped small, from California to Washington, D.C.
This is Small Business Saturday, so we're out here supporting small businesses.
In just over a year, Small Business Saturday went from a day that didn't exist to a permanent fixture on the holiday shopping calendar. See you next year.